In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the drill through in Power BI. So if you want to do that, you want to first open up your visualization board over here. So in case it's hidden like this, make sure you actually expand it. And then here under the visualization, you want to go to the very bottom where you can see drill through. And then here it says cross report. You can enable this if you want to. And then you can also keep all filters if that's on or off if you don't want to. Now here, this is the most important part. You can go ahead and then add your drill through fields here. Now to do this, you want to go to data over here and you can just simply drag and drop your fields in here. So for example, if I go ahead and drag in, I don't know, like month name here, and if I release it, as you can see, it's going to get added in here, and you can even go ahead and select just specific ones over here, and that's going to work its magic. Now notice that whenever I did this, it's going to actually also pop up this arrow at the very top left over here. So as you can see, it's now I have an arrow here. I can move it if I want to, and if I control click it, let me remove this, there we go. If I control click that arrow, it's basically going to go back for me over here, and that's kind of the functionality that it has in here within the Power BI. So that's how we can basically add the drill through. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.